name is Jack Barr. I am the inventor of Busker Buddy.
Like most people, I love to sing and to play an instrument or the guitar. But it's much more fun with a beat or with special effects.
But asking friends or finding good musicians is not always easy. And playing lots of instruments on your own is very difficult. I've tried lots of other drum machines and other crazy gadgets. Take a look at a few of the things that you can buy and use. But most are very complicated or very difficult in handling and not very convenient, especially in a live environment. So I'm thinking to myself, stop the madness, there must be a better way. So I invented the Busker Buddy. It is simple and very easy to use, and you have full creative foot or hand control of all the sounds. Let me show you some of the functions. You've got 14 pads in total. You can allocate whatever sounds to the different pads.
Drum sounds, special effects, bass,
you can also use it on your knee. You can also use it on a stand. So if you're standing up at a gig, you can also use it as a drum, as bongos, as bass guitar, and you've got all the presets and everything that you need. Yes, it's me, I'm on the mic again. Playing music seems to don't go in. You know I need it, yes I do. Playing this song, yeah, just for you. Yeah! Well, there you have it. It's like having your own band 24/7. It's amazing. Unlike any other machine or homemade device, it's very easy to use. You can get hundreds of different sounds. You can dedicate any of the sounds to the pads. You can even load down customized backing tracks from our website and use the Busker Buddy as a karaoke machine. Just plug in your microphone and away you go. The Busker Buddy is the perfect machine for all musicians or anybody that loves music or loves to sing. It has its own built-in amp and its own built-in speakers. So just plug everything in and you're ready to go. Because it's all customizable, the possibilities are endless. The Busker Buddy is not just a special effects machine, it is also a complete instrument on its own. Did you know that there's no other electrical instrument that you can play with just using your feet? There are literally thousands of unfortunate people with special needs that would love to have a machine or musical instrument like this one. Unfortunately, I only have this one non-functional prototype. I need your help so that I can get a fully functional prototype made, and so that we can go into production. I think it's time that everybody has access to making easy, good music and having fun. The Busker Buddy is not only for guitarists, it's for everybody that plays an instrument, loves singing and likes to have fun. We are ready to bring musicians and music lovers everywhere a product that not only sounds great but is also easy and fun to use. Yes, it's me, I'm on the mic again. Playing music seems to don't go in. You know I need it, yes I do. Playing this song, yeah, just for you. Yeah! Let's make the dream from thousands of people a reality. Join us.